Embrace funny old bird getting old sucks too many aches and pains t-shirt witty charm of growing older with our funny old bird getting old sucks too many aches and pains t-shirt. This shirt captures the essence of humor while acknowledging the realities of aging, making it a perfect gift for grandparents, friends, or anyone with a great sense of humor. Crafted from 100% cotton and proudly made in the United States, it offers unmatched comfort and durability. The soft fabric ensures you can wear it all day, whether lounging at home or out with friends, while the humorous message brings smiles everywhere you go. Washed t-shirt old bird getting old sucks. Classic comfort. Embrace the humor of aging. This tee says it all. Getting old is full of laughs and aches. Our washed t-shirt version of the old bird design offers a soft, broken-in feel right out of the box. The pre-washed cotton creates a vintage, lived-in appearance that perfectly complements the playful, "getting old sucks" message. It's lightweight yet durable, ideal for casual outings, family gatherings, or relaxing weekends. Made from 100% cotton in the United States, it combines premium quality with a timeless style that grows more comfortable with every wear. T-shirt old bird getting old sucks. Waves of comfort the classic. Embrace aging with humor. This funny, old bird t-shirt captures the joys and pains of getting older. The classic t-shirt brings simplicity and style together for daily wear. Its 100% cotton construction ensures breathability and softness, while the humorous "old bird getting old sucks" slogan stands out with bold, clear printing. This shirt is versatile enough to pair with jeans, shorts, or skirts, making it an essential addition to anyone's wardrobe. Proudly made in the United States, it guarantees long-lasting comfort for all-day wear. Tank top old bird getting old sucks. Riding the in style. Embrace aging with humor. This funny tank top celebrates the aches and pains of getting old. For warmer days or gym sessions, the tank top version of our old bird design is perfect. Made with 100% cotton in the United States, it offers a lightweight and breathable fit that keeps you cool while delivering the humorous message with style. Its sleeveless design ensures freedom of movement, making it ideal for outdoor activities, beach trips, or casual lounging. V-neck old bird getting old sucks. Elegance and edge. Embrace the laughs of aging with our funny old bird tee, perfect for all the aches and giggles. The V-neck t-shirt adds a touch of elegance to the playful old bird theme. Its 100% cotton material provides softness against the skin, while the flattering neckline enhances your everyday look. Made in the United States, this shirt combines comfort, style, and humor, making it suitable for both casual and slightly dressier occasions. Sweater old bird getting old sucks. Warmth and attitude. Embrace the humor of aging with our "Getting Old Sucks" sweatshirt, perfect for the funny old bird. Our sweater version brings warmth without sacrificing humor. Crafted from 100% cotton and produced in the United States, it delivers soft, insulating comfort for cooler days. The old bird graphic and message are boldly displayed, keeping the playful spirit alive even during chilly seasons. It's perfect for layering over a shirt or pairing with your favorite jeans for a cozy, stylish outfit. Hoodie old bird getting old sucks. Ultimate comfort and style. Embrace the laughs of aging with our funny old bird hoodie, perfect for aches and giggles. The hoodie offers a relaxed, comfortable fit with the added benefit of a hood for extra warmth. Made from 100% cotton in the United States, this hoodie is soft, durable, and perfect for lounging or outdoor activities. The humorous "old bird getting old sucks" slogan pops against the fabric, making it a fun conversation starter wherever you go. Its front pocket adds practicality while enhancing its casual style. Conclusion. No funny old bird getting old sucks too many aches and pains t-shirt which style you too many aches and pains collection combines humor with high quality comfort. Made from 100% cotton in the United States. Each piece ensures durability, softness, and a perfect fit. Celebrate the joys of aging with laughter, style, and exceptional comfort that lasts. Other product.